Now, I'll explain one problem from Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This problem is based on simple addition only. This question they asked in MBA exam during the year of 2006. A 3-digit number 4A3 is added to another 3-digit number 984 to give the 4-digit number. One number is given, but that number is divisible by 11. It is given in the problem. You have to find out the value of A and B, A plus B. That is the question. 4 options are given. See, this number 1300 and B tens and 7 is divisible by 11. It is given in the problem. For that divisibility condition for 11, you have to find out the difference between the sum of the digits in the even places and the sum of the digits in the odd places. If the difference is 0 or the multiple of 11, then the full number is divisible by 11. That is the condition I have explained earlier. See, I am finding out the sum of the digits and even places, that is 3 plus 7. Then sum of the digits in the odd places, 1 plus b. If you subtract both, you have to get 0. So, after minus 1 plus b is there. So, minus into 1, minus 1, minus into b, minus b. So, 10 minus 1 minus b is equal to 0. So, 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus b is equal to 0. So, b value I got it as 9. Next, what is given? Now I found b value. B value I got 9. Now, a also you have to find out. 4a3 first number. Second number is 984. When you add both, you have to get 1397 because b value is 9. I am writing as it is 13b7. Okay. Now, what is 3 plus 4? 7. No problem. Now, a plus 8 is equal to b value. I got it as 9, no? 9. So, what will be a value? A value will be 1 plus 8 only will be 9. Am I right? Because b value 9, no? So, a value will be 1. So, a is equal to 9 minus 8, that is 1. What you have to find out? A plus b. A plus b is equal to 1 plus 9, that is 10. So, the correct option is 10, that is A option.